Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson.
So first sentence is when will you be free? When will you be free? आप कब free होंगे? Second, I like your profile picture. I like your profile picture. आप DP को ही profile picture बोलते हैं. DP भी कह सकते हैं और DP का शॉर्ट फॉर्म ये इसका फुल फॉर्म है डिस्प्ले पिक्चर, उसी को ही आप प्रोफाइल पिक्चर भी बोलते हैं. सो आई लाइक योर प्रोफाइल पिक्चर. मुझे आपके प्रोफाइल की तस्वीर अच्छी लगी. 3. You started being offline these days. You started being offline these days. तुम आजकल ऑफलाइन रहने लगे हो. 4. Why did you remove your DP? Why did you remove your DP? तुमने अपनी DP क्यों हटा दी? 5. Change your DP. It's not a good one. Change your DP. It's not a good one. अपनी DP तब्दील करो, ये अच्छी नहीं है. 6. Upload it on your status. Upload it on your status. इसे अपने स्टेटस पर लगा दो. 7. Why did you upload such status? Why did you upload such status? तुमने ऐसा स्टेटस क्यों अपलोड किया है? 8. Change your status right now. Change your status right now. अभी स्टेटस तब्दील करो. 9. Call me when you get free. Call me when you get free. मुझे कॉल करना जब आप फ्री हो. The last one is 10. You can call me anytime. You can call me anytime. आप मुझे किसी.
So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it.
For speaking English, join my WhatsApp group given in the description. English बोलने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया मेरा WhatsApp ग्रुप ज्वाइन करें.
See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.